David Taylor, 14 March 1954 – 24 June 2014, was the Joint General Secretary of UEFA. Taylor was appointed to this role on 1 June 2007 after the UEFA Extraordinary Congress in Zurich on 29 May 2007 voted to replace the role of Chief Executive with that of General Secretary. He was previously the Chief Executive of the Scottish Football Association, SFA. Born in Forfar, Scotland in 1954, he was educated at the High School of Dundee before graduating from the University of Edinburgh with a degree in law. He qualified as a solicitor and practiced law until 1985, during which time he added to his legal qualifications with an MSc in economics and an MBA. He died at the age of 60 on 24 June 2014. References